For international buyers, one of the biggest concerns is not only product quality, but whether the goods will arrive on time. A delayed shipment can affect warehouse planning, retail distribution, seasonal sales, and even customer commitments in their own market. That is why at HAPLAST Group, delivery is managed as part of a complete packaging supply chain, not just the final step after production. Before shipment, our team verifies order details, packing status, carton condition, labeling, and loading readiness to make sure every step matches the agreed plan. We also provide real photos and videos of the goods before dispatch, so customers can clearly see what is being prepared for shipment. From warehouse loading to container sealing, key shipment information can be recorded and shared to give buyers greater visibility and confidence. Our team proactively updates customers on order progress and works closely with logistics partners to keep every shipment on track. For global buyers, this means fewer uncertainties, better planning, and stronger control over their supply chain. At HAPLAST Group, we do not simply manufacture packaging. We support every order with transparency, responsibility, and a commitment to long-term partnership. Reliable packaging, clear updates, on-track delivery, HAPLAST Group.